Heaven's a moment when I can feel bigger. I'm running around, round, round, round. Slip out of bed and she slips through my mirror.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing the end product. I only got to really watch the fire bits, but they looked absolutely class.
And she's only gonna fall for the same I did before. Perhaps this feeling only lasts for a moment of running around, round, round, round.
My name's Ian Robertson. I just directed this music video for Follow the Sound. It's a really dreamy track. Got thinking about weddings, dances at weddings. This turned into an idea about someone who gets carried away with the first dance at a wedding. And I wanted to push it as far as we could to all the extremes, so we see our brides get very messy and very crazy.
Hold you up.